Hi, uh, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're from. Right here it is in the afternoon, and in the video, I want to make egg curry. It's my first time trying out this recipe, and as you can see, I was boiling the eggs first, and I have this hack where I use lemon and I usually first boil my water, and then when it has started boiling, that's where I place the lemon inside the pot before placing my eggs. This way I'm always able to peel them so easily. As you can see there, they look so clean, there's no mess, and the egg shells are so clean. I peeled them so perfectly. So the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to fry the onions and the tomatoes together and make sure they are well cooked before placing in anything else. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm making sure that the onions are so well cooked, and you can keep checking with your cooking stick if they are soft. If you find that they are soft enough, then maybe you can add some water, or there are people who do add the coconut cream. I haven't tried the coconut cream yet. I will try that recipe too, and you will find it here in my channel. So this time I just used water, and it turned out okay. So there is no shame in using water if you have nothing else to use. Yeah, I'm continuing to cook the tomatoes. As I said, they should be well cooked to form a nice thick broth or soup if you like. And I was making sure that the tomatoes are perfectly cooked. I am going to check if the tomatoes are well cooked. Some tomatoes do tend to be a bit harder than others, and they do take time to cook. I don't know what happens, whether it's the type of tomato. I don't know what it is. These ones were quite hard. So I'll add the coriander. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. It depends on you and the kind of flavor you like. So they will cook together. Let's stir them. Make sure they are cooking well. As I said, the tomatoes were quite hard. I don't know why. They almost messed up everything. Yeah, that's why I keep on pounding them. I want them to cook so well that they are not cooking. Pounding them, stirring them, just to make sure they are So I'm going to put in some ginger powder. That's from the Royco company or the Royco brand. Just a bit. Then I'll add 1 cube of Royco. 1 cube is enough for us. We are not a family that likes too much spices. For us, the lesser, the better. Yep, that's the Royco cube I used. It's beef flavored. So now I want to add some water. The camera is not focusing. Yeah, that's where I added the water. And I'm stirring everything else together. Yeah, I like covering my pots. It makes the food cook faster. So I covered and let it cook for around 5 minutes before adding my eggs. So let's check. Let's check whether they are ready so that we can add the eggs. And yes, we are going to add the eggs one by one. Yeah, those are my eggs for the egg curry. So I have added all the eggs. I want to add some salt before I cover that. Yeah, there is the salt. I'm careful. I don't want it to be too salty. That's a weakness I have to admit I have. I like salting my food. They're boiling together now, and I think we are going to cover so that they can cook for a few minutes and let the spices infuse into each other. Wow, they are doing well. They are looking nice. This is my first time trying out egg curry. I have never ever tried it again, and it's turning out to be okay. Yeah, that's what we have. We are going to try it out and see how it tastes. It's ready. I have just added a bit of salt, and I'm happy about our meal today. And we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining us. Please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.